Hello children and adults, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to introduce to you my video series on ScratchJr. ScratchJr is an introductory programming language based on moving and connecting blocks together to make characters walk, run, move, spin, dance and sing and a lot more. ScratchJr is available to access for free on mobiles, tablets and also computers. In this video series, I'm going to take you through a number of fun projects based on these coding cards that allow us to understand and learn the features of ScratchJr and, more importantly, start to learn and understand coding concepts that will allow us to unlock other programming languages so that you will be able to start to build the technology of tomorrow. My hope for this video series is that children develop an understanding and, more importantly, an enthusiasm for coding no matter what their location is or their background. I also hope this video series inspires children to use technology to create rather than consume. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.